spot ng Baguio. I've seen that. How talented the people. It's raining. Oh my God. Come on, Por. Come here. Hi, Por. Say hi. You eat ice cream? Okay.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. The new tourist spot here in Baguio.
Top view.
I see Kuya again. I see Kuya again.
You see Kuya again? Where is he now?
Over here.
Where?
What's here? What's here?
Oh no, there. Kuya's there.
Kuya! Kuya! Get down here.
Where you called Kuya?
Yes, Por.
Where?
What's here?
Right there? Oh, you call them. You call him.
Kuya! Get down here.
Get up here.
Up.
Up.
Get closer. Ay, Kuya, let's go
Por
upstairs.
call na Here's Kuya. If you go Baguio, just visit here the new tourist spot in Baguio.
Ah, wala pa pala.
Kuya, Mommy, Kuya, up here. Kuya, go upstairs. Hurry.
Oh, hayaan mo na si Kuya. Oh, look. Eagle Stone. The new tourist spot of Baguio City. Hey guys. If you want to go here, baon po kayo ng tubig. Oh.
Nice
Nasa top na po
architect.
kami. Yan po ang Eagle Stone. Oh my God. Meron pa pa siya kasunod. Di ba tapos? Ayan po yan. Next na. Na kami.
Hi, Por. Trin. How are you?
Hindi po pa siya tapos.
Trin, taba. Por.
Oh.
Nice
Nasa top na po
architect.
kami. Yan po ang Eagle Stone. Oh my God. Meron pa pa siya kasunod. Di ba tapos? Ayan po yan. Next na. Others. Also is ang ganda dito pagka sa taas. Oh, ito po may under construction po po. Ayan. Ayan po po yung under construction. Check that. Tara na. We are entering the Igorot Gold Mine. Sa kabilang side naman kami ngayon.
Kuya!
Where's Kuya now?
Yan.
Ito na yung malapitan. Hindi pa po siya tapos talaga.
Ito yung ulo ko. Asan? Yan lang. Wala naman dito. Ay! Naku! Okay na.
Others. Also, ang ganda dito pala sa taas. Oh. Ito po may under construction din po. Ayan. Ayan po po yung under construction. Check that.
Hi guys, thank you for watching, and guys, keep subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Edgar Lacune. Enjoy watching the private vlogs. Stay safe and more power. Happy New Year, everyone.
Igorot Stone, the new tourist spot of Baguio City. Hey guys, if you want to go here, baon po kayo ng tubig.